wanna go in there, sweetie?
Come on, take one.
Me no want none.
Take one, if you don't take one, you can't turn in.
Alright, me now go take you and you go see how me go turn in here. Look on the pool. Eh? You know if you eat so much sweetie, it's not good for you.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No, never look back. Never look back. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone. When you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning, William fam. Don't mind me, I am whispering because it's Faith's birthday today, guys. It is her birthday today, and I was planning to go jump on her bed and wake her up, but she's been saying, oh, every year it's my birthday and I never got breakfast in bed. So she's like, you've had your birthday, Mario's had his, and we have always made you guys breakfast in bed. So today I'm going to surprise her and go make her breakfast in bed. And yeah, because I got some stuff yesterday to do that as well, but she didn't know what it is. So I'm gonna go make her breakfast in bed. I haven't even wrapped her birthday gift yet. It looks really gloomy outside. I have no clue what we are doing today, but I guess as the day go on we will figure it out. If the weather is shitty, then we will most likely stay inside, but if not, then maybe we'll go outside, go do something. There's hardly that much to really do anyways, especially now. There is not that much to really do. So but anyways, I just would like to also say thank you guys for everybody that has supported us yesterday. And if you have ordered, make sure to know that orders will be going out this week. Yeah, so orders will go out this week. So thank you so much again for the love and appreciation for everybody that has gone on and ordered something. Thank you very much. And yeah guys, continue to see what is up. We are probably going to drop some new inventory soon. Yeah, a couple of the pieces, like I said, I was thinking about at the time when I got them, I was gonna release certain stuff earlier, but I was like, no, I'm just going to wait. So yeah, so let me go make her breakfast, and hopefully we could wake her up because she was up late last night. Like I fell asleep, I was so exhausted, guys, from everything. So I didn't get to stay up till midnight like I was trying to plan to surprise her, but that's okay. So Mario said she was at the door knocking at 12:08 wondering if I was up, but I guess she didn't. I don't know if she came in or not because I was dead asleep. I was knocked out, felt like a train wreck. So let's go make her breakfast and see what is up for the day. And also, happy birthday to my big sister. Today's also her birthday as well. I gave Faith as a birthday gift to her on her birthday 14 years ago. So happy birthday to you as well. I hope you have a blessed day as well. Hey, look at it, you have your niece on your birthday. So what other gift could a sister give another sister than a bouncing baby girl on her birthday? And so yeah guys, but let me go make her breakfast, and well, of course Mr. William breakfast in bed as well. So I may know Faith go cuss because he go say, oh Mario, I get special treatment and it's my day. So but anyway guys, let me go in the kitchen and go whip up some breakfast for everybody, and yeah, surprise her. I don't even know, maybe I won't even wrap her gift, for heck. But and then some of her other gifts she will love. I didn't really want anything for her birthday, but I still got her something anyways. So yeah, let's go get breakfast done. I'm starting to make the pancake. I'm doing them in like shapes, so hopefully they turn out good. We'll see how they turn out. So they are sitting for now. So I got a star, a what is it called? A snowman and something else. Almost finished breakfast. Almost finished. Have all the tea stuff prep and the pancakes, eggs them over there, so I'm just waiting. And then I have the powdered sugar, and yeah, I wanted to get some strawberries but I didn't see any that I like, because I would have got some nice strawberries and do a little glaze and melt it and put it on it for her, but didn't find any. But I got the whipped cream, so that's it. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And when I just thought about it now, I could have got banana and done the same thing, but the kids, I thought I had bananas here, but the kids didn't eat off every banana, so I don't have any. So that is what I am doing. Oh my goodness, let me show you guys a baby picture of Miss Fate. She was so little. I think it was like the second day. So there's a picture of her. She had just came out the hospital. Oh, can you guys see it? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Her little baby picture. She just came out the hospital. It's so crazy when I'm going back through like the kids' them pictures and stuff like that, and seeing how they have grown. Time really has flown. Oh my goodness. And pretty much 3 days, well, 11 days after this, I'll be doing this again because it'll be Memphis' 16th birthday. You know, the last bit of pancake as I started making the tea, and this is ready, so I'm going to plate Fate food and everything. This is the first time she's going to have her food served for her before Mario. And I'm going to knock up everybody just now with 2 big pot cover. Just give me a second, let me plate that from first. Okay, so this is her food, guys. I'm just gonna, she loves a lot of whipped cream. Top it with whipped cream. And that is her breakfast. So everybody's having ginger tea. Well, I'm having ginger tea. Everybody else is having their Mario's having his Milo, and everybody else they have hot chocolate, and I am just having my thing. So this is her breakfast. There's a little star, you have a snowman and an apple, and then the regular pancake. So let me get the pot covers in. Are you guys ready? Because I'm ready to wake everybody up. It's almost 11 o'clock in this house. Everybody's awake. So we are about to eat. Well, she was happy. She got her breakfast in her bed. So, and of course the first thing she do, I pick up her phone and go on social media. Everybody's up and eating. I didn't want no pancake and stuff, so I just made myself some tea. And I have some leftovers from last night that I am going to warm up, and that's what I am going to have. But there's extra pancakes and eggs and stuff like that. So that is what I am going to eat for my brunch, because it's pretty much brunch time. Yeah, it is raining outside. It just looks horrible outside. Like in here is like so dark. So I'm going to warm up my food and I'm going to have that, but I'm also going to put in a little bit of a clip from maybe if I can find my Fate's birthday.
She's like, Jesus. I hope you guys enjoy. If I can find it, I will put the little clips in here so you guys can see it. They're not gonna be, you know, they'll be old and stuff, but these are just some of her little birthdays. Usually what we usually do, we celebrate Faith and Memphis' birthday together. Yeah, we usually celebrate both of their birthdays together because since Faith's birthday is the 30th of October and Memphis' birthday is the 10th of November, I usually try to put it in the middle. And then we usually will get 2 cake or just one big massive cake and then do their birthday together. But as they got older, they're like, no mom, they get greedier, so they want their birthday celebration separated. So yeah, but let me see if I can find some clips and I'll put them in here and so you guys can enjoy them. And then so later on, oh, after you have your breakfast, I will give you your gift. And then and then we can cut the cake later on today. And yeah, I don't know what we're doing later, so I guess I will catch you guys later. But for now, I'm probably just gonna go watch a movie and relax here. Mr. Williams, the script plate, so that meaning we're fighting. Oh, he's so disgusting. Oh my gosh, he's literally knocking the plate. Oh my gosh. If you want more pancakes, babes, there's more pancakes. So yeah, so I'm going to go do that, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit. So is it I'm talking? Yeah. Alright, so so me and hubby are going out. It is pouring, like literally pouring outside, but you know, like Faith didn't feel like getting dressed up or whatever, and I was like, it's your birthday. I was like, get up and get dressed, because she had this whole plan that she was gonna get up and get dressed and stuff like that, and she wanted to go outside, go do a couple of pictures for her birthday, but then the weather is just so gloomy outside and she doesn't feel like doing nothing at all. So I was like, okay. I was like, get up, get dressed. Me and hubby are gonna go out for a second and we will be back. So wasn't expecting it to rain, but we're gonna go out and gonna go get a few decoration stuff and decorate the place for her, because yeah, it's your birthday, and me, I'm big on birthdays, and even if you're not out doing something, it's still nice that somebody shows their appreciation by doing something, even if a small gesture, just by getting a cake and a balloon or whatever, that is still showing a gesture. So I think she said she wanted I got her a cake, but well, I didn't cut my cake from yesterday. Yes, I popped it off. Oh, you're happy now, so I feel your turn to come scold me. Eh? Okay. Anyways, guys, so I got her a cake. Well, I have a cake from yesterday's celebration. I didn't cut them. I was like, oh hell, shit, we'll buy another cake. Good. But she's like, I want an ice cream cake. So yeah, I'm whispering because I don't know if she's at my bedroom door listening. So I'm gonna go and get her the cake that she wants, and maybe get her some new balloons and stuff like that. And I was just gonna decorate something for her, do a little, you know, just a little thing. And yeah, and my nose said she would like it. Memphis, he ain't too funny, fussy. Ollie's like, Mom, just put some money in my bank account or on my PayPal. And that's it, but he does want a cake. Oh gosh. But me, so I'm going to, we're gonna go out, go pick up her other gifts, and go get her the other stuff. So hopefully she will like it and then come back, because she has been a tremendous help, especially with me launching the business yesterday. She's been to back for me, and even though sometimes I bother her and she's doing her own thing, like she helps out, like to help to do the content and stuff like that for my TikTok, on my TikTok business account, on Instagram, Facebook, you know, all those things. That she's been the one that's been kind of helping me, because sometimes I am too busy, so she has to post for me, you know, and respond and all that. So that's, for me, that's the least I can do. So I want to make the day special for her, so I told her, go get dressed up, because she's still looking like a bum from yesterday evening till now. No, yesterday she dressed up, but not fully dressed up. But today she's gonna dress up. So like, she dress up and do her hair and stuff like that, because she was up last night washing her hair and everything else. But well, guys, I am dressed and I'm waiting on Mr. Williams. Yeah, I am finally dressed and I'm waiting on Mr. Williams now. Yeah, so he's not the one, but I'm also here editing. I am editing, and I am hoping that I can have a vlog upload for you guys what we're gonna do for dinner. Yeah, guys, we're outside. You see me trying to get this one to go into the store to go get the stuff them. Don't look at me like that. And he doesn't even want to go in the store. And they tell me if I go, him say I'm cold.
So why you want me to go?
What?
Why
Because me cold, so let me stay in here and warm up the car till you come back. I run in, I run out, you know.
So you not going to run in and run out?
No, no play with me.
Alright, run in and run out. Me drive got it do when you run in.
No, no play with me.
Me drive got it do when you run
No.
in. Me just run in and run out.
No, so you go on, me drive and you run in. You see your face?
And me run the steering. You have come out in the rain now. Come on here, so no.
No, me not have to come out in a rain.
And me come out in the rain and go around and you come across.
Oh gosh, this is not the day at all.
Easier.
We never even wanted to come outside because it is just so depressing out here. It's depressing and it's cold, but you know, we're gonna hurry up and come out and do what we need to do, and yeah, call it a day. So
Jam out of my bed.
But-
Can't believe it.
dry you out of your bed. Don't make me have anything, you know.
Good.
Don't make me exchange any words. So let me get on my mask and let me hurry up.
The only
And...
time we come out tomorrow morning.
Oh, so you want to come out of your bed tomorrow morning if you go play football?
Exercise, me
I
exercise.
hope it
gym
pour
me
down and rain and wind. Where you from, sir?
a gym me go.
Yes, your face.
I'm my gym.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Nobody not going there, sweetie.
Come on, take one.
Me no want no.
Take one. If you don't take one, you can't turn in.
Alright. Me now go take you and you go see how me go turn in here. Look on the pool. Eh? You know if you eat so much sweetie, it's not good for you.
Put me out. Look what they are there.
Look at
Look at me getting drop.
Look at the woman. The woman probably think y'all that choked me. Oh my god.
I want to kill you. See? What?
Look, the woman's literally staring at you because she probably thought you were choking me.
So what do you do?
What do you mean, so what do you do? You're lucky you don't call
Me a
police.
license, you know?
I'm
Let
gonna
me
check.
take out my license, you know?
So, your license for doing?
See you. So me a license with you, girl. You make a light change. Come on, look for this change up. How about you?
What is that?
How about you? Okay?
Yo, man, phone drop out of my hand. Where you say you have license for doing? Oh my god.
You're no stranger, you're my wife. See this?
Oh, so I'm your wife. Guys,
My life with you.
Mario's literally making me cry.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
You see that go away, sir?
I need to go to this and there.
You talking to man? Chill.
You talking or you talking? Guys, look at Mario just mess up my.
You can't be here with all this in the big girl.
Pit out the after you stuff it down my throat.
Because I got only cook picnic where them have food to eat and then pit out there, I just give them it.
Oh gosh.
You gotta feed it now?
No, me I
You're not
don't
feed here.
I'm in clinic car, you know? I'm in clinic car.
That's what
You're
you're
bright.
from.
You see your face? You make the woman in the other car over there, they tear, they watch you choke me out.
You're bright, you're bright.
Or well, she would have thought that's what you were doing.
No.
Yeah, the woman that literally is looking. So where are you going at this way?
Then I know manners that with them.
The woman's literally looking in the car, must you wonder what's going on. There, these are the new ones. I'm nicey. I'm nice and fat up. Oh my gosh. Mario say have license, guys. He have license.
So no license.
You say you love Rob? Eh?
Tell me if I not lie. If I tell me if I lie, I worries.
I lie that. License. Also, if you have license, then money.
What is it?
How would I tell man?
It's a cool time. Like Saturday.
I forget your Halloween. Well, tomorrow, but some people start their Halloween party from tonight.
No, who did Halloween? Who did Halloween?
Yeah, it's a costume.
Up on inside.
Well, when we go in, we'll see.
I ask him. Every Batman say why you hang out here.
You might just get one box. Oh my gosh. Well, guys, we're gonna go in the store. Let's go see what trouble Mr. Williams is gonna go in there. Go cause.
Push him down and run. You get me back?
Oh man. So guys, this man really just dropped things down my pants. And they talk about how me buffer back so.
Make drop things on your pants.
Eh? What you say if me not do what?
Make drop things on your pants.
You drop things on my pants, you see your face?
You like it.
You get too much talking. I know, I don't think I'm over here, so there. Come on. Man, it's a beer talking them giving me today. Beer talking. I wanted this, Mr. Me need feel underneath the shelf.
Yes, go on.
Where me? Yes, go on. Yes, we're disgusting. Where's something there? Candle. Another aisle.
To the back?
You're not a birdie.
Where? I heard it. Is it this aisle? No. Guys, we are literally sitting outside and look, the thing just light a fire. Oh my gosh. The thing just light a fire. My run go over there, go out it. Yeah, I forgot to tell the people them they're so crazy. We're just literally sitting out here. Imagine that car would have literally exploded. Cause they didn't see that. I don't know what they put on and left it, and the front of the car caught on fire. Being in the right place at the right time, you pull it off fast and wow, that's crazy. We came to this Dairy Queen to get Faith's cake, but they're closed. So we're just gonna go find another one to go to and then go get it and head home, because then I gotta set up. Yeah, I left Memphis. Memphis started cooking, so Memphis is actually cooking her her birthday dinner, which is sweet. What happened? What they say?
Then I charge you and something catch fire.
Oh shoot, so they didn't even realize.
They didn't realize.
No, because I was sitting here and I was like, wait a minute, I just seen it spark. I was like, Mario.
Yeah, just catch a fire.
Yeah. So imagine if they were in there, you know, that thing, if we didn't see it, it would have been blazing.
Right.
Holy shoot.
So I go there and I pull the wire off, the wire burn right out.
Wow.
And the terminal part catch fire and
Oh
out.
shoot. That's crazy. I know, I was just telling them on the vlog. Just being at the right places. At the
You
right
look, yeah,
time.
you look your fault because nobody know what they want to do. Are
No.
they inside, you know?
And them inside. Yeah, so that's really nice. Memphis is cooking her birthday dinner. So that is nice. I just got the little stuff to go decorate and stuff like that. I have something in mind, something just quick. Nothing too crazy because she didn't really want anything, but you know, because it's been raining all day and it's been so gloomy, I still wanted to make her day nice. So
How much time is that? 15 minutes though?
pretty much it. That is it. Got in literally late. Now we are literally hurrying trying to set up the place. So we're literally hurrying trying to set up the place. So then she come out, we'll show you guys. It's just something quick her doing for her, stuff like that. Then we're going to eat. The candle lit up, so her birthday, and it spells her name, all the food and stuff. So there is the little thing. Look at my little munchkin. Look, so these are some of her pictures. Ew. I went and had a look at her with Sienna. Here's Sienna. She's gonna be embarrassed, but of course, Mommy got the naked pics of them. She's wide asleep. And that's her with her grandparents there. This is her great grandparents. So, this blindfold her. Are you ready?
Shut the eye on me.
Okay, my eyes and open my eyes, close my eyes.
Surprise! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Faith. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? 41. How old are you now? How old to you? Woo!
56.
All right, look. And it even spells your name. Did you see that? Did you even look at the wall, your picture wall? Make a wish.
Don't pull a selfie.
Make a wish and blow out the candle.
How to think? That's not what I want.
Can you think for more food?
2 candles, 2 wishes, 1 for me, 1 for you.
Come, wish you more food.
Wait. Okay.
Blow them out. Woo! Oh, Mario did the same thing. Woo! All right.
I think that was strong.
You remember I said something you said to her?
Look, you literally just talking through that one out.
Gosh, okay, so let's eat. You can clear this off, put the food, and we're going to eat. All right. All right, guys. So, what do you mean, weigh your tongues? Oh God, you actually helped do something?
Thank you.
So, Mario didn't waste no time on eating.
Disrespectful.
We're hungry. So he's eating. So yeah, we just take too long.
So I'm eating.
Party is wrapped up, and we just took down everything, and well, we just took everything down. So it's just the balloons that are up, and everything is finally taken down. He cut the cake, and they're cut the cake and they're eating. It is time for your girl to go and shower, and Memphis is going to wash the dishes. Did you enjoy your birthday? It's another quarantine birthday, but happy birthday, baby girl. So another quarantine birthday for the 2nd year in a row. Well, hopefully next year won't be the same, but I'm not going to jinx it, but you know how it goes.
Me love me.
We know how it goes, but we will see. But yeah, thank you guys for celebrating another year and another birthday with Miss Faith. And she would just like to say thank you to everybody that has wished her a happy birthday. I will see you guys again in 11 days to do this all over again. Because I got another birthday celebration that I have to do. So in 11 days, I got to do this all over again. So I'm starting to plan that from now. It is his sweet 16. So I don't know yet what I am going to do, but me and Mario will figure it out. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out and then go from there. But thank you guys again for another celebration. I'm exhausted. It feels like I've just been going for the last couple of days. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be rest day, hopefully, and then back on the grind the next day. So yep. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Come and join the William family, where it is always a vibes over here. We will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me could be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days I know it's every day.